Are you a developer looking to level up your skills in React.js? Are you struggling with common challenges like managing state and fetching data from APIs? Look no further. We have the perfect solution for you. Introducing our comprehensive and easy-to-follow animated explainer video series that covers all the essential topics in React.js. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this series is designed to meet your needs and enhance your React.js knowledge. In this series, we will delve into the core concepts of React.js, starting with props and state. You'll learn how to effectively manage data and render dynamic content with ease. Say goodbye to messy code and hello to clean and efficient React.js components. But that's not all. We'll also explore the power of React hooks, such as useState, useEffect, and useContext. These hooks will revolutionize the way you write functional components, making them more flexible and reusable. Get ready to take your React.js skills to the next level. Routing in React.js has never been easier. Our video series will guide you through React Router, enabling you to create smooth and seamless navigation experiences for your users. Say goodbye to tangled URLs and give your app a professional touch. Fetching data from APIs is a common task in web development. We've got you covered with a detailed tutorial on using Axios to handle API requests in React.js. Say farewell to complex AJAX calls and hello to simplified data retrieval. But what happens when something goes wrong? Error handling is a crucial aspect of any application. With our video series, you'll learn best practices for handling errors in React.js. Say goodbye to frustrating bugs and hello to robust and stable applications. Need a central place to manage your application's global state? Look no further than the Context API. Our video series will guide you through the ins and outs of global state management, allowing you to build scalable and maintainable React.js apps. Ever heard of higher order components, HOCs? Our video series will dive into this advanced concept and show you how to leverage HOCs to enhance the reusability of your React components. Say goodbye to repetitive code and hello to cleaner and more efficient development. Performance is key in any application. We'll show you how to optimize your React.js apps to ensure lightning-fast rendering and a smooth user experience. Say goodbye to sluggish apps and hello to highly performant web applications. Server-side rendering, SSR, with React will take your app to the next level. Our video series will teach you the ins and outs of SSR, enabling you to boost performance, improve SEO, and provide a seamless first-time user experience. Lastly, we will address the importance of accessibility in React.js apps. Our video series will guide you through best practices for making your apps inclusive and accessible to all users. Say goodbye to barriers and hello to a truly inclusive web. Ready to level up your React.js skills? Take action now and access our comprehensive video series. Start building top-notch React.js applications, overcome challenges, and unlock exciting career opportunities. Your journey to React.js mastery begins today.